6. Least nature-loving zodiac sign. Scorpio. Scorpio feels nature's mystery and depth, connecting with hidden transformative aspects like forests, oceans, and untamed landscapes. Aries. Adventurous Aries enjoys nature for action, hiking, climbing challenges, though less drawn to quiet, contemplative natural experiences. Libra. Libra enjoys serene parks and gardens, but values aesthetic balance over rugged outdoor adventures or raw wilderness. Aquarius. Innovative Aquarius appreciates environmental causes but connects more with ideas than immersing deeply in raw natural surroundings. Leo. Leo loves beauty but prefers glamorous, human-made settings. Natural environments may lack the spotlight they often seek. Gemini. Curious but restless, Gemini enjoys short nature trips, yet often prefers lively cities and constant social stimulations.